So we're moving on to the master level of yo-yo tricks, and this is cool stuff. This is stuff that when you go to show people, you're really going to impress them with. If you go and take a look back at my expert level and all the other ones we went through, this isn't necessarily incredibly harder. It's just kind of the next step. And these tricks that I've chosen to put into the master section, I feel, are fundamentals of freestyles. They're tricks that are really good to learn. They're tricks that have been around for a while. They just have lots of elements to them. So I've taken them, I've tried to break them down into 2-3 steps sometimes to really help you learn them. It should help you out. It's going to make you a better yo-yo player if you go through each step, learn them the best you can. When you're done, you'll be able to do some pretty fancy tricks. So this one's called ladder escape. It's on the list. It's one of my favorites.